There is nothing more useless than a whiteboard full of great ideas. During a brainstorm, your brain is running on pure dopamine. Generating ideas feels incredibly rewarding. It's a creative sugar rush. But the second the meeting ends, the dopamine crashes. Now, you need your prefrontal cortex, the logical, organizing part of your brain, to make sense of the mess. But it's exhausted. So in this video, we're breaking down a framework that bypasses that brain fog, instantly organizes your brain dump, and builds a roadmap you can execute. Let's start. Step 1 is to lean completely into that creative sugar rush. Your only goal right now is pure extraction, getting everything out of your head before the logical part of the brain wakes up and starts judging. We want the brilliant ideas, the weird ones, and the ones you were almost too embarrassed to say out loud. Do not let your internal filter kill an idea before it hits the board. If you're doing this with a team, a tool like ClickUp Whiteboards is a game changer because it prevents a cognitive traffic jam. Everyone can dump their thoughts onto the board simultaneously. Instead of waiting for your turn, which kills the dopamine and lets the loudest voices dominate, you get the raw, unfiltered brain power of the entire room at once. Step 2 is translation. And remember that exhausted prefrontal cortex we talked about earlier? This is exactly where it usually gives up. You need to look at your messy dopamine dump and make it specific. Ask yourself, if someone else read this tomorrow, would they have any idea what it means? A note that says better UX is useless. It needs to become reduce checkout from 5 steps to 3. But forcing your tired brain to do this for 50 different sticky notes is mental torture. That's why you outsource it. You can use ClickUp Brain, ClickUp's context-aware AI assistant, as an artificial prefrontal cortex. You just highlight your rough, unfiltered ideas, ask the AI to sharpen them into specific, actionable steps, and it handles all the heavy logical lifting for you in seconds. Step 3 is pattern recognition. Now that your ideas are actually specific, your brain can finally see the forest through the trees. If you read through the board now, you'll realize those 30 random sticky notes aren't random at all. You'll see that 3 ideas share the exact same DNA. 4 others are circling the exact same bottleneck. Group those together and give the cluster a title that actually means something. And to prevent analysis paralysis, use the 30-second rule. If you can't decide where a note belongs in 30 seconds, drop it in the closest group and move on. Keep the flow going. Step 4 is prioritization. Once your clusters are named, you might be tempted to attack all of them at once. Don't. Here's a reality check from neuroscience. The human working memory can only hold about 4 to 7 pieces of information at a time. If you try to act on 30 ideas simultaneously, you will trigger massive cognitive overload. So, you have to filter them through an impact versus effort matrix. High impact and low effort go first. These are your quick wins to build momentum. High impact, high effort gets mapped out for next quarter, and low impact, high effort gets killed completely. Step 5, move it to long-term memory. With your brainstorm organized, you have to document and assign everything immediately, because the human brain is notoriously terrible at holding on to context. Start by giving each category a name and a one-liner. You need to do this so the logic is still obvious 3 weeks later when the dopamine is completely gone. Then, for every idea that survives your priority check, you must lock in 3 things: a specific next step, a single owner, and a rough deadline. If managing that manual follow-up sounds exhausting, you can outsource that too. ClickUp super agents act like your project's autonomous nervous system. They handle the busy work for you by automatically assigning tasks, pinging reminders, and flagging anything that stalls out, so the plan stays alive after everyone leaves the room. And that is the full system. 5 steps to take your team from a messy dopamine rush straight into a cold, hard execution plan. Remember that ideas are biological, execution is mechanical. If you rely on a tired brain to remember a great brainstorm, the ideas will die in the room. ClickUp acts as your team's external brain. Sign up for free today at clickup.com and start brainstorming now.